Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on longer and shorter. This video is a continuation of the earlier video on length. Students could be asked to trace the word longer. They can also be asked to trace the word shorter. Now, these two words are very important, and you would explain to students that these two words are used when we are comparing the length of two objects. So that's all, only two objects. That's why the two words are used. I repeat, when we are comparing the length of two objects. Here's an example. Circle the longer object. And let's hope the students will circle this one. Circle the shorter object. You would guide students through that exercise and give them many more opportunities similar to this one. Draw a short string on the red balloon and a longer string on the blue balloon. Notice I've used the word longer. Okay, so a short string on the red balloon and a longer string on the blue balloon. Next exercise. Draw one fish that is longer than the blue fish and another fish that is shorter than the blue fish. So they have to draw two fish. One is longer and one is shorter. Which mushroom is shorter? Explain how you got your answer. Now the students will probably be able to answer this very quickly as to which mushroom is shorter, but it would be interesting if they can actually articulate their reason. That is, give you a reason why they picked a particular mushroom. Which sword is longer? Explain how you got your answer. So these two questions here will test their understanding with respect to the meaning of shorter and longer. Colour the trees that are shorter than the apple tree. So there's the apple tree there. So colour the trees that are shorter than the apple tree. Colour the cars that are longer than the green car. So there's the green car, and you've got three other cars here. So colour the cars that are longer than the green car. So this video has introduced the two words longer and shorter, and it's basically, the exercise was that for students to be able to compare the length of two objects.